Good morning, Gracie. Good morning, Gracie. No, where did Daddy go?
Work.
Yeah, you have to go to work.
Done. That's done.
Not yet. Daddy just went to work. He'll be done in a little while. What are you doing in here? Hmm? You dancing?
No.
No. You want to get up?
No.
No. What do you think? What do you want to do today?
That's a bunnies.
You want to take some vitamins?
Yeah.
What else?
Cool.
You get 2 vitamins?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy's wearing dirt.
Mommy's wearing a shirt. Yeah.
And pants.
And pants.
Yeah. There were pants.
Hmm?
There. There were pants.
You want the bear to wear pants?
Yeah.
You can't wear pants. How about if we put on pants on the bear? Yeah? What do you want to wear today? Want to wear shorts or a sundress? Tough decisions. Shorts or sundress?
There's kitchen.
What's that?
Kitchen.
The kitchen?
Yeah.
This was in the kitchen yesterday, you're right. It's a movie camera.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to say bye to the movie camera?